Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to create shared albums on Messenger. And in order for us to do that, all we have to do is to launch our Messenger application and we are going to choose a group. And let's say I want to go with this one. I want to join since I had already gotten out from the group. Then I am going to tap on the name of this group and then I am going to tap on view media files and links. From there, I'm going to choose or select some files that I want to send them. And as you see, since we did try selecting them or to send them, in the case that we are not able to create shared albums on the Messenger, the problem might be that we are using an older version of Messenger and we must try update our Messenger application until we can see the option for us to create shared albums on our Messenger application. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next video.